everybody, this is Joel Alvarez. I'm going to walk you through the axle retraction for the HA130RTJ. So first off, coming over the lower control box, key switch into the on position. With it and the ground controls labeled by the orange button here, which is showing you that is the turret controls. Start the engine. Once the engine is running, switch it over to turntable controls, which is where our outrigger functions are. Come on over with me and bear with the beeping. So always make sure your platform is up off the ground for this procedure, because otherwise you will shove it into the ground. I'll show you what that means here in a little bit. So first off, up in the front you have these controls. You also have an emergency stop in case something happens. Push on that button right there, shutting off the machine. Now I got to turn it on again. Okay. Over again, and then here we go. So you have two sets of controls here. This is going to be for the rear axle closest to the platform, and then this control is going to be for the front axle furthest away or forward in the direction of travel. So first off, you have the black knob and the yellow knob. Black knob lowers the center cylinder, which you down there so you can see it coming down. Makes contact with the ground, raises the tires off the ground. Now, you don't have to raise up all the way up in the air. I was just doing it for show right now. But the yellow handle, bringing that one up right now, will retract the wheels. You see we got the wheels coming in. Once it settles down and everything's sucked in all the way, then you bring up the black handle and bring the machine back on the ground and retract the cylinder all the way. Now here's where I was telling you, where you have to make sure the platform's off the ground. If you're not paying attention. If I were to raise that front axle, the same that I did right here, if that platform was lower to the ground, it would actually crush it into the floor, causing damage to the platform, causing damage to the structural components here of the jib. So make sure you don't do that. So, front axle, lower that one down. You'll notice the tires start coming up off the ground. Once the tires are off the ground just enough to make it cycle in, bring in the wheels. You don't have to maintain it all the way up in the air. Now, you do have to hold the red handle because the weight of the machine weighs over 50,000 pounds. So the weight of the machine will try to retract that cylinder while it's up and while you're in the operation mode. Okay, there's the platform still up in the air. I'm retracting all the way in. Now we're all set. Come over to the ground controls and you switch it over to ground. Beeping stops. Let me show you where that's important. If for any reason you have left your cylinder down and not brought it up all the way, and you switch it to ground controls, even though I'm switched to ground controls, it's giving you an audible alert saying, hey, there is a problem, something's not set. Same thing if you have extended the outriggers partially or retracted them partially, but not taken them all the way in or not pushed them all the way out to the lock position. So you got to make sure, if you hear that constant beeping, chances are you didn't bring it in all the way, or you didn't cycle the machine properly and put it into its proper working condition. Okay, are you ready to go? Have a nice day.